Guys, keeping on top of your replens and restocking is extremely important. It can be the difference between 10% extra turnover a year, which is a huge amount of profit. Trust me, I learned some big lessons on this. So today I'm going to show you a full tutorial of how you can keep on track of them using Sellerboard as a beginner. So let's dive into it. So if you scroll down to inventory on Sellerboard, I'm on the demo here. So this is my personal account. You can go and do this as well. If you hit the link below, there's actually a 2-month free trial, by the way. And then you can also try out the demo before you sign up with no credit card required. Click on inventory, click on planner down here. As you can see, the planner there, and what it's going to do is show you a list of all of this stuff here. So what it's going to show is obviously the cost of goods, the potential sales you've got currently right now, and then the potential profit. And then below, this is the most important part. So it's going to show you in order your products, your best sellers, etc. It's going to show your stock value. But if you look here, it will show you your days of stock that are left currently. So not only does Sellerboard show you the dashboard with all your analytics and your profit and etc., and not only does it also, if you scroll down here, not only does it also, where are we? Not only does it also get your money back down there, it will get your money back. Let's get my head out of the way, my big old head. If you click on that, it gets your money back, tracks your dashboard, tracks your PPC. It also tracks your replens here. So it's going to tell us how many days left of stock we've got there. Sent to FBA, tell us how many products we've got currently sent. As you can see, this seller, this demo account has got none sent, so that's not good, but that means that they need to get them sent. So this will go green or red depending on how many days you got left and how fast that product's selling. So currently it's saying, this is sort of okay depending on our own discretion. 55 is an okay amount. This one, red, and we haven't got any sent to FBA, which means it's urgent. My business manager virtual assistant, pretty sure he looks at this on a daily basis, guys, and then just to double check what's going on here. And as you can see, that's a massive no-go if there's 6 in stock and 0 are being sent to FBA. You can also scroll over here, look at your prep center stock. You can look at what's ordered. So you can start to really plan all of your inventory here. Days until next order, 64. Days until stock there, 55, which means there's a massive discrepancy there. Look at that. Days left to stock, days until next order, 36. That's not good, so this is good. So you can look at comments here as well. You can go on this, create purchase order, create edit, and then once you've done this, guys, on top of this, you can actually create purchase orders on here. So let's show you an example. Draft there, total cost 950, ordered total cost 5,649, and then shipped, you've got the shipping amount there. So you can actually create purchase orders here, and then you can close them once you're done. And this will go in line with the planner on the replens there. So you can click on that, duplicate purchase order, or we can create a new purchase order completely from scratch, and then put it in here. Put all the planning, if you like, in here so that we're up to date with all this stuff. It's really cool. And then also, if you click on FBA shipments, you can also make sure it all tallies up, and then we can actually request for reimbursements here as well. And then we can see how many units are received. So if we see some sort of discrepancy in the planner for the replens, then we can be like, okay, cool, we need to make sure that we get more shipments sent, or there is actually one that it's not monitoring. So yeah, and on top of that, guys, Sellerboards, just make sure you grab the 2-month free trial below that I've got, because there's no credit card required, and it also gets back, look, you're lost and damaged. It will tell you how much reimbursement you're owed as well, $693 at the moment. Go on the dashboard up here. It's going to tell you exactly how many sales you've done yesterday, month to date, month forecast, etc. Click on more, and it will actually tell you a good breakdown of all this sort of stuff, the Amazon fees, disposal fee there, refund cost, etc. Yeah, it's a great tool, guys. It's got everything you need. So yeah, go check out the 2-month free trial, that's for sure. Thanks Sellerboard for sponsoring the video, and guys, that's how I help manage my replens and use Sellerboard. So I will see you in the next video.